In Windows 11, the widgets bar process is always running in the background, even if you never use the widgets. And there is no obvious way to disable them or uninstall them. You can remove the icon, but it's still there when you press Windows W or swipe from the left if you have a touchscreen. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently remove them if you don't like that process always running in the background. And don't worry, it's reversible if you change your mind. Hi, I'm Justin from Random Tech Videos, and before I get into this video, please consider subscribing to this channel, and please also give this video a like. And if you're a regular viewer of the channel, I'm sorry that I can't upload as often because I'm busy with work. Anyway, let's get back into the video. As you can see right here, here's the Windows widgets bar and its icon right here. It's really easy to remove the icon. All I have to do is click the taskbar settings, and then you just turn off the widgets icon, so it's not there, but it's still running in the background. If right here I press Windows W, it still is there and it still opens right back up. And as you can see in the task manager, it's running right here all the time, every time you start your PC. Anyway, here's how you remove it. Press your Windows key or your start menu, you go into your search, you start typing Windows PowerShell, and then when it comes up, you right click on it and say run as administrator. Now what you're going to want to do is type or paste in this command. I will put the command in the description. Winget uninstall, then Windows Web Experience Pack, end quote. And so now it's going to get ready to uninstall that. It'll take a little while. And now it's uninstalled, and you just have to press Y, hit enter, and then it's successfully completely uninstalled. Now if I press Windows W on my keyboard, nothing happens, which shows that it's permanently removed. And if I look under Task Manager, it is no longer listed here under the running processes. So now let's say you change your mind. It's really easy to get it back. I'm not going to reinstall it, but I'll show you. Here's what you do. All you would need to do is go to the first link in the description. It will take you to the Microsoft Store where it says Windows Web Experience Pack, and then you just click Get and it'll let you install it. So you just need to do that in your web browser and you can get the widgets back. But anyway, that's how you uninstall the widgets that are built into Windows 11. If you want me to make a separate video as to how I got Windows 7 widgets and gadgets on Windows 11/Windows 10, let me know in the comments. But that's all for today's video, so thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please leave a like and a comment if you want. And until my next video, goodbye.